everyone. My name is Brian Sipato, your teacher in science. Welcome back to school. I would like to ask if everyone is safe and fine today. I hope you don't forget to wash your hands so that we can avoid diseases and any viruses. Remember, we have to wash our hands with soap at least 20 seconds. All right? Okay. So, my question is, I hope everyone is okay because I was asking how are you, and I'm good. I hope that you are safe and healthy. All right, so then we have a review. I believe that you have already or you have remembered all the things that you have studied last time. So I have here the jumbo letters TETRAM. So the TETRAM. So the question for this is it is anything that occupies space and mass. So the answer will be, of course, matter, MATTER. So now, what are the three phases of matter? As you remembered, the three phases of matters are correct. We have the solid, liquid, and of course the gas. All right. Since you know already the three phases of matter and also the matter, anything that has mass and occupies space. So the three phases, of course, the solid, liquid, and gas. So we will deal about mixtures. Do you have any idea what are mixtures? So let's define. Mixture is a combination of two or more substances. So anything that you add, for example, one substance together, combine it together, it will produce a mixture. All right. So this is an example of a mixture. Can you see the picture? This is This is a fruit salad, of course, very delicious fruit salad. It is an example of mixture because it is a combination of different fruits like apple, buko, cherries, kiwi, papaya, and others. To make it creamy and tasty, we have to add heavy cream and condensed milk to these fruits. So now, looking at the picture here, no? The picture of the fruit salad, can you identify the slices of apples from papaya? And can you also distinguish lychee from cherries? All right, so if you can identify those, so it's definitely obvious that it is a mixture because you can see different things in a substance. All right, another example of mixtures, we have the crude oil. A crude oil is a mixture of organic compounds, mainly hydrocarbon. Okay, so the crude oil is being used to our engine or machine for it to work. So crude oil is a chemical energy, and once it is used, it can produce movement or the machine can work and it can give mechanical energy. All right, so next we have the seawater. Seawater is a mixture of various salt and water. As you can taste in the beach or the ocean and the seawater tastes salty because this is the water and various salt being combined. So, of course, this is a mixture. Next one is the air. Even if the air we breathe is an example of a mixture because it has a mixture of various gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, argon, neon, etc. Another example, of course, we have the ink that we use in our pen, marker, and others like printer. So it is a mixture of color dyes. So you can see inside of this marker and pen is a combination of color dyes. Next example will be the gunpowder. So a gunpowder is a mixture of sulfur, potassium nitrate, and carbon. So it is used for the armed forces of the country, like the police or the army. So they use this for some purposes, for criminals and for whatever it takes. But be careful, we are not allowed to use this one because we are not licensed to hold the gun. All right, so much for that. So you see, the mixture is definitely a combination of different things. So it is not a mixture if there is no more substances. If only one substance, not a mixture. All right, so I guess that you know already what are mixtures. Let's proceed. So we will be having our check. Let's check your knowledge about mixture. We're going to determine the picture if it is a mixture or not a mixture. Let's see. Example number one. So the paint. So we use paint to color the wall, the things that we wanted to be colorful, right? So the paint is, let's see if it is a mixture or not a mixture. Let's try to answer not a mixture. Oh, it's incorrect. Meaning paint is a mixture. Of course, paint is a combination of different chemicals being used to produce this kind of impression, the color. All right, so let's check. Yeah, that is a mixture. Next one is the ice. Ice is a solid material. From liquid into solid, because of the temperature, it becomes solid. We put it in the refrigerator or freezer, right? So let's check if it is a mixture or not a mixture. Oops, my answer is incorrect when I put mixture. So meaning, ice is only one substance. It is not a mixture. All right? So another one, oh, water. The same with ice. It is not a mixture because water is purely water. We did not add anything on it. So the water is not a mixture. Next. Oh, delicious pizza. Do you want to eat pizza? I love to eat pizza. So pizza is a mixture or not a mixture? Of course, it's a mixture. Why? Pizza is a combination of different ingredients. So the bread or the crust is taken from the flour, and of course the toppings here is the pepperoni, the spices, the vegetables, and others. So it combined together. That's why it is a mixture. Next, halo halo, so yummy. So who wants to eat halo halo? You have to order then to the store that caters halo halo. So halo halo, from the word itself, halo halo, it's a Tagalog term. So in English, that is mixed. So mixed, mixture. So definitely the correct answer is mixture. So halo halo is is a delectable delectable food for Filipino because it is being served during summer, and of course we can eat anytime we want, of course. All right. So do you have any idea about mixture? All right. So since you already know what are mixtures, so I believe that you are now ready for the next lesson. Congratulations. So again, would like you to know that our next lesson will be about mixture, but this is the types of mixture, which is the homogeneous and the heterogeneous mixture. All right. So for your assignment, let's have an experiment next meeting in virtual setup. So you will be needing the following: the coffee powder, salt or table salt, mud, 3 plastic cups, stirrer, and water. So what are we going to do? We will be having our experiment. So make sure that you already have this material prepared before we start our virtual meeting. And if somebody is there with you, like your ate kuya or mommy daddy, please ask them to help you in preparing those things and assist you during the meeting or the virtual, because this is an individual output. All right? So please prepare, and I will see you next. See you soonest, and thank you so much. Again, this is your teacher, Brian, in science. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.